Welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working on this 2009 Porsche Cayenne V6 model. We're going to be doing the oil change. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to go over some tools you'll need here in just a moment. So these are going to be some of the tools you're going to need to get this DIY service done. You're going to need a 10mm bit right here, 3/8 ratchet, a torque wrench, 8mm Allen key, 36mm bit for the oil canister, 18mm bit for the oil drain plug, an extension. This is the plug you're going to want to replace that's attached to the oil canister. This is not the drain bolt. Oil filter, and of course your oil of choice. This is the one that I see listed in the manual, so that's actually what I'm going to be going with. Standard wheel ramps, a creeper, along with some type of catch can. So before we do the drain process, obviously get it to operating temperature. You want to go over to the driver's side, pop the hood. Right there. Mine's already hot. Put that off to the side somewhere. Now we're going to get under the car. Get under the car. And just set the camera down right here. Five total on mine. So there's two more down there. Hold on one moment. Now from the driver's side, get under the car. It is that bolt right there. Right here. 18mm. I gotta cover it up for just a moment to get this out. that drain out. Next we want to get the oil filter canister ready. This is where the drain bolt was. If you look right above it, right here, that's when you put your 8mm Allen key in. Back that out. Sorry, I know it's covering the camera. I'm just trying to. There we go. Now you're going to want to get your 36mm bit. There's the drain bolt right here. That's where we just removed the 8mm Allen key. Get your 36mm bit and back this out. This is the oil filter canister. Let's go clean it up. Just pay attention to the orientation with your new oil filter. Make sure you replace the oil ring gasket right here, along with the big bolt right here. It has its own washer. Prime this, get a little bit of oil on it. And put it back on. Prime this O-ring as well. Get it back on that drain bolt. You definitely want to replace this every time because this is aluminum. So we're going to fasten this back in down here. I'm going to check the torque value in just a moment. I'll check that torque value. So I have to look up what the torque value on here is because I can't find it, so I'm just going to make it hand tight. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in. This should be put in at 19 foot-pounds. It's really dark. But there is your oil filter housing. I cranked mine down to 19 foot-pounds. The drain bolt right there, I just did mine hand tight because I couldn't find the torque value. So if you know what it is, leave it in the comment section below for everyone. And the drain bolt right there, I put to 22 foot-pounds. So now we can go back up top and fill it up. So we are back up the top now. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with 6 quarts of my 5W30 ESP. You can go with your oil brand of choice, of course. Once I have my 6 filled up, I'm gonna crank the car for a few seconds and then top it off as needed. Once you determine that there's no leaks, go ahead and button up your belly pan and you should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and finish and wrap this video up. If you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Again, this is gonna be for a 2009 Porsche Cayenne V6 model. Thanks.